Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSHIBA AT10 A, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then in this left section simply scroll down in order to find language and input. Now let's tap on the language, and here we've been transferred to the list of available languages from which you can choose. So all you have to do is to tap on the one you'd like to use. So let me pick French, and as you can see, the language has been applied immediately. Let me change it again so I can show you. Tap on English, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.